So, hi guys, my name is Ketki Singh and I'm your maths expert faculty at ETDCS. Right now, what I'll do is I'll explain you the outline of my lecture so that you have a basic understanding of what you're getting into, like how the classes will proceed, and I'll basically give you a demo of what I'm going to do in the classes, in the main lectures. So, I'll start off right away. So, this is the beginning, and in the beginning of the class, we'll do the homework discussion. See, the homework discussion is the most important part of the class, and why it should be done in the beginning is that suppose I've assigned your homework in the last class, in the previous class, and you don't understand the concept. So, what it will do is, if you don't understand that particular concept, you're not going to understand, the upcoming topics. So, if you're not crystal clear with the topics that have already been taught, then it will hamper your understanding of the topics that I'll be teaching you further. So, homework discussion will be the first and the most important part of the lecture. Next, I'll proceed to the main lecture. See, in the main lecture, I'll make you understand all the concepts that I have learned, that are important, that are relevant. Be sure that I'm going to teach you everything that is important for the topic. And जो नहीं भी आया है या छोटे छोटे topics that are very rarely asked, I'll cover even those topics. And suppose I'm teaching the chapter straight lines. So what I'll do is, suppose you have to find the area of a polygon. So my motive will be to make you understand all the ways to solve a particular problem. Like the area of a polygon can be found in many ways. So I'll explain each and every way of doing that. So अब क्या होता है एग्ज़ाम में कि एक तरीका, एक मेथड से सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है, एंड ऐसा लगता है कि अरे मुझे तो यही आता है, हाउ विल आई डू दिस नाउ. सो इफ़ यू नो ऑल द वेज ऑफ सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस, कुछ ना कुछ वहाँ पे क्लिक करेगा एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट. एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज़ अ डिफरेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. हर स्टूडेंट को एक डिफरेंट मेथड अच्छा लगता है. किसी को कुछ पसंद है तो किसी को कुछ पसंद है. किसी को इस तरीके से समझ आता है, किसी को दूसरे तरीके से समझ आता है. सो इफ़ यू नो ऑल द मेथड्स, देन you will be able to solve the questions very easily. I'm pretty sure about that. So I'll teach you everything that is important and that is relevant, and you need to be sure that nothing is going to be missed out. Nothing will be missed out in the course. My next part will be the recap. In the recap, we'll be basically making a gist of whatever has been taught in the class. Sometimes what happens is, like while attending a class, you phase out, like daydream करने लग जाते हैं लोग. So when we recall those topics, when we have a recap of those topics, at least you will get to know हाँ कि I missed this topic and I need to study it again. So even if you haven't understood it, then that time you can remember कि हाँ मैंने उस टाइम पे नहीं पूछा था, and I can ask it now. I have a difficulty in this topic, and you will get it refreshed all again. Now the assignment, the homework assignment. See, homework assignment is the most important part of JEE, and you need to understand this कि JEE में it is not just about reading the theory or understanding the concepts. Until and unless you solve numerous questions, you won't be able to deal with the questions in the examination. Panic करने लग जाओगे तुम. What happens is, JEE asks a particular type of questions. Like binomial theorem में तुम्हें पता है already कि term independent of x पूछेगा, या फिर number of rational irrational terms they'll ask you. Or in probability, you know that conditional probability से सवाल आ सकते हैं, Bayes theorem से सवाल आ सकता है. तो ये तो paper out हो गया ना. This is basically, कि these type of questions JEE has been asking, so you need to be prepared. So in the daily problem sheet that I'll be giving you, it will have 3 parts. The first part will be the previous year questions. All the questions related to your topic that has ever been asked in JEE will be mentioned in that. Second part is, आज जो मैंने क्लास में तुम्हें पढ़ाया है उसको it will check the understanding of your understanding of that topic. You know, suppose there is a particular type of question or there is something that JEE has never asked, so that you don't panic in the examination. These questions will test your understanding of the topic and make you used to solving new questions, solving new type of problems, so that if anything is asked on the day of JEE, you won't miss out. And the third part of the daily problem sheet will be the advanced level problems. Advanced level problem में क्या होगा कि these questions will be a bit tougher than the average questions, so that if out of the blue something comes out, then you are able to solve all sort of question. अगर कुछ बहुत tough आ गया and everybody is panicking, so you don't have to worry. You will be used to solving these kind of questions, solving those level of questions, so that you don't have to worry on the examination day. Now I'll talk about the weekly practice problem sheet. So weekly practice problem sheet, you must not have heard about it. So ये क्या है? What I'll do is not just the topics that I'm teaching, but all the topics that have been taught to you. It will make sure that all the questions from each and every topic is included in this weekly practice problem sheet. And I'll tell you why it is important. क्या होता है? You read one chapter, you solve its questions, and then the next week you start learning another chapter and you solve the questions from the new chapter. Slowly you start forgetting what has already happened, and exam के एक दिन पहले you'll be like अरे वो भी तो करना था, ये भी तो करना था. So what this will do is, suppose you have questions from all the chapters and you get stuck at a question. What you will do is you will get back, you look at your notes, you will try to solve that question. And basically what you're doing, you'll do this with all the sheets. So basically what you're doing is you're revising your chapter that has been taught to you, your previous chapters, n number of times. तो क्या होगा कि everything will be already refreshed. तुम्हें वापस नया रिविजन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. एग्ज़ाम के एक दिन पहले you'll just have to look at the topics because you're already doing it. Every week you're solving questions from whatever has been taught to you. So it will not be a very tough task. I'll tell you one thing about JEE is that JEE is a game of consistency. If you're not consistent, nothing is going to happen. You have to stick to this कि रोज़ का काम तुम्हें रोज़ करना है. If you procrastinate, if you think कि नहीं आज मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है, आज sad हूँ मैं, तो I won't do it today. No. If one day you procrastinate, if one day you think that you will leave it for tomorrow, it will become a habit of yours. And from my personal experience, I'm telling you that if you miss out a topic, if you don't do it, it is forever left. वो तुम्हारा concept ही चला जाएगा फिर. You'll never understand it. And if you try harder, maybe उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा time लगेगा. When that chapter is going on and you missed out the topic, make sure कि उसी time पे उसको करो, उसी time पे समझो. This is very important. They say कि JEE is very tough and बहुत कुछ अलग दिमाग वाले बच्चों का होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It is very easy. JEE is very easy, but there is a but. It is very easy if you are consistent, if you are hardworking. अगर ईमानदारी से अपना काम करोगे, it will be a piece of cake for you. It will be a very easy task for you to clear JEE. You will get into a very good college and all your dreams will come true. So be consistent and don't procrastinate.